Welcome and welcome back to the channel. Yes, I know that I've done a little bit I've done something different to the studio, but to be honest with you, I didn't have the time to put everything all back after a video that I've just filmed for you guys. So I've decided to keep it. I kind of like it, to be honest with you, the background. But today's video is about me cutting out a new Baja 5B body and putting it onto my awesome rebuild of an old beat up Baja 5B that I got off of Facebook. I think I got it off Facebook for 300 bucks. Totally ruined. If you haven't done so already, check out this video here and you'll be able to see what it was and what it looked like prior. It is a two-part episode, so but yeah, I hope you love that that transformation. But today I'm going to put the final touches on there. Well, the final touch on there is putting on a new body. Now, I did get a brand new body from body shell from Baja Spares. If you're looking to get yourself your own Baja 5B body shell, I'll put Baja Spares' contacts or Facebook in the description. So yeah, look. Stay tuned because you're gonna love this and the end result, and I will speak to you at the end. Okay, so here she is. I'm gonna cut everything out now, so wish me luck. So I have colored in everything that I don't need for the Baja 5B. So I'll just be cutting around here, and also too, they've got some outlining lines that I'm gonna cut out. The holes that need to be cut out also. The best thing is that what I did was that obviously that you could look it up online, the specs and whatnot. But what I ended up doing was I just put the old shell. I got this original Baja 5B HPI original, body. I just put it over it just like that, and then just traced around it. So it made my job a lot easier to, to figure out what needs to be cut and what doesn't need to be cut, because it is an odd looking or odd spaced out shell. So yeah, let's go cut everything out. So obviously this is the first time I'm actually doing this. So I'm going to try a method that I saw online, which is scraping. So I've got my X-Acto knife here, and I'll just be scraping, and hopefully everything will snap off. But it's seeming to be a lot more difficult than I thought. I quit with this, so let's get the scissors. I gave it a go, and it's not snapping. Apparently it's meant to snap, but like I don't want to keep scratching the damn body. So yeah. So I got the scissors here, got them from Hobbies Direct online. Check out in my description, and I'll put a link in the description for these. So basically I got the straight scissors. Sorry, I don't know why I've got my Bluetooth thing here. Got the straight scissors here, and then I've got the curved scissors. Obviously it's like curve for curvy bits. Oh my gosh. All right, let's give this one a go. Okay, she's done. Really happy with the results. I didn't do too much talking throughout that the B-roll clip that you saw earlier, because I wanted to have that one-on-one chat with you and hopefully get your opinions, because I haven't done this many times prior, but like always, I am happy to receive advice from any of my viewers, especially if you're a veteran at this and you know what you're doing. I try to know what I'm doing, and let's be honest, okay? I gotta admit, the thing with the Baja 5B shells, they're not like your ordinary shells what you have, like you cut out from a car, you know, with the 4 wheels, and then like it resembles a car. Let me get you the template. So as you can see, this is the template, and trying to cut this out by eye, or if you don't have one of these to use as a template, you've got no hope in my opinion. It is going to be hard, especially the back bits and trying to get those proper cutouts to fit around the motor, the pull starter, especially around the, I don't know, the gearing as well. Like, yeah, good luck to you. My honest opinion and tip, use your old one, trace around it, and that way you know what you exactly are cutting out, especially the 2 side panels as well. So they're going like that. So yeah, like that's my honest opinion. Because yeah, like as you can see, it's not like an ordinary shell, and it's just come into like a flat box, a flat, I don't know, it resembled nothing like this when you get it. But yeah, look, as you can tell, what I've gone from the Baja 5B HPI SBK stickers on there. I really wanted to keep it clear so that way you can see all my hard work, what I've put into this build. Another suggestion is go get yourself a Dremel, so that way you can clean up the edges there and make it look really nice like I've done here. But other than that, pretty straightforward. I can't report back anything, but besides really, if you try to do it by eye, you're gonna screw it up and you're gonna waste your money. Use an old Baja 5B template so you can put it on top and trace around it so you know exactly what you're using and what you're not using, and cutting out the right bits. I've done the mistake of doing that prior, and yeah, totally wasted some money. Look, yeah, I'm happy with the results. I will consider this build done and dusted. Let's just be honest. All my I don't know, 5th scales turn into, I want to make them as a basher, but they always turn into a beautiful piece of art, and they always turn into shelf queens, working beautiful shelf queens. But yeah, I'm actually looking at selling this build. I'd love to get your opinions below on how much you think this is worth. Honest opinions, don't say like $3, like come on. But like how much you think this was worth, because I am looking at selling this. Yeah, because I need to make room for future projects, future RC projects. But hey, look, if you haven't done so already, this is what it looked like before. And this is what it looks like after. And yeah, look, it's night and day difference. So yeah, I've put in a lot of love and care. But write down in the description how much you think I should sell this for. I'm very interested and keen to find out your opinions. Also too, leave in the comments below if you think that I should do some more stuff to this Baja 5B. Before I do sell it, if you want some specs, or if you're after anything that I've put on this build, hit me up in the comments below. I'll point you in the right direction if I don't put it in the description of this video. But look, the shell, easy to do, but please, for the love of God, or whoever you worship, or whoever you don't worship, please go get yourself a template, because you're really going to screw it up. But look, you know, prove me wrong. But that's the end of this video. Like, subscribe, do all that fun YouTube stuff, because it really does help me out and it keeps me motivated to keep providing you guys with awesome content. And I'll see you big beautiful bastards next Monday.